Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So this is English revision. So Unit 1. The lesson name is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, children. So I think already you have completed the classwork. If you have completed the classwork, please open your classwork and take Unit 1 Raksha Bandhan. First main odd words. First one Raksha Bandhan. RAKSHABANDHAN Raksha Bandhan. Second one festival. FESTIVAL festival. Third one observed. OBSERVED observed. Fourth one celebrate. CELEBRATE celebrate. Fifth one North India. NORTHINDIA North India. Sixth one Mahabharat. MAHABHARATH Mahabharat. Seventh one protect. PROTECT protect. Eighth one Shravana. SHRAVANA Shravana. Ninth one affection. AFFECTION affection. 10th one symbol. SYMBOL symbol. 11th one bond. BOND bond. 12th one brothers. BROTHERS brothers. 13th one sisters. SISTERS sisters. 14th one presented. PRESENTED presented. 15th one wrist. WRIST wrist. So these are the odd words. Okay, children. Now next main new words means meanings. What is the meaning of the word? First one affection. Affection means liking or love. LIKING liking. LOVE love. Second one tie. To hold two or more things together using strings. TO2 HOLD hold. TWO2 ORR MORE more. THINGS things. TOGETHER together. USING using STRINGS strings. Third one celebrate. Celebrate means to show that a day is important by doing something special. TO2 SHOW show. THAT that. A DAY day. ISE is IMPORTANT important. BY by DOING doing. SYMETHING something. SPECIAL special. Next fourth one carry. Carry means to take things from one place to another. TO2 TAKE take. THINGS things. FROM from. ONE PLACE place. TO2 ANOTHER another. Next fifth one protect. Protect means keep secure or give safety. KEEP keep. SECURE secure. GIVE give. SAFETY safety. Next one Aarti. Aarti means a plate with lamps or light on it. A PLATE plate. WITH with. LAMPS lamps or LIGHTS lights. on it. So these are the meanings. Now next main complete the sentence using words from bracket. So in the bracket they are given protect, celebrate, affection, carrying. So by seeing from the bracket you must complete the sentence. First one Seema and Vani are dash rockies on a plate. So in the dash you must write carrying. CARRYING carrying. Second one they want to dash Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. So in the dash you must write celebrate. CELEBRATE celebrate. Third one the brothers promise to dash their sisters. So in the dash you must write protect. PROTECT protect. Next one dash binds the siblings together. So in the dash you must write affection. 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 So these are the fill in the blanks. Now next main answer the questions in a word. First one, where is Suma going? Answer, Suma is going to the market. SUMA Suma, IS is GOING going, TO2 THE the MARKET market. Second one, what does she want to buy? Answer, she want to buy Rockies. SH she, WANT want, TO2 BUY buy, RAKHIS Rockies. She want to buy Rockies. Third one, when is affection and love established? Answer, brother promised to protect the sisters. Affection and love established between brother and sisters. BROTHE brother, PROMISE promise, TO2 PROTECT protect, THE the SISTER sister, AFFECTION affection, and LOVE love, ESTABLISHED established, BETWEEN between, BROTHERS brothers, and SISTERS sisters. So these are the one word question answer. Next is answer the following in a sentence or two. First one, what do the sisters carry in a plate? Answer, sisters carry sweets and Rocky in a plate with Aarti in it. SISTERS sisters, CARRY carry, SWEETS sweets, and RAKHI Rocky, INNAPLATE plate, WITH with ARTI Aarti, INNIT it. Second one, what do the brothers promise their sisters? Answer, brothers promise to protect their sisters. BROTHERS brothers, PROMISE promise, TO2 PROTECT protect, THEIR their, SISTERS sisters. Brother promise to protect their sisters. Next main, add S to make plurals. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. So here plate means only one, so that is singular. So if you want to write plural, you must add for them S. So what will come there? Plate, plates. PLATES plates. Second one, brother, brothers. BROTHERS brothers. Third one, sister, sisters. SISTERS sisters. Fourth one, hand, hands. HANDS hands. Fifth one, month, months. MONTHS months. Next main, write opposite words. First one, hot, cold. COLD cold. Second one, high, low. LOW low. Third one, give, take. TAKE take. Fourth one, low, high. HIGH high. Fifth one, sweet, bitter. BITTER bitter. Sixth one, take, give. GIVE give. Next main, change the genders. Father, mother. MOTHER mother. Brother, sister. SISTER sister. Uncle, aunt. AUNT aunt. Grandfather, grandmother. GRANDMOTHER grandmother. Now next main, choose suitable words from bracket and fill in the blanks. So in the bracket they given tying, between, taking, giving, carrying, festival, gift, Rocky. So you must choose the words from bracket and you must complete the blanks. First one, Vijay is dash is sister to hospital. So In the dash you must write taking, T-A-K-I-N-G, taking. Second one, Vishal is dash a gift to Sarala. So in the dash you must write giving, G-I-V-I-N-G, giving. Next third one, I am dash a bag to school. So in the dash you must write carrying, C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G, carrying. Fourth one, the sister ties dash to the brother. So in the dash you must write Rocky, R-A-K-H-I, Rocky. Fifth one, I celebrate Rocky dash. So in the dash you must write festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival. Next sixth one, Seema is dash a Rocky to a brother. So in the dash you must write tying, T-Y-I-N-G, tying. Next one, the school is dash the two trees. So in the dash you must write between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Next eighth one, the brother gives dash to the sister. So in the dash you must write gift, G-I-F-T, gift. Okay children, so these are the, choose the suitable words from bracket and fill in the blanks. Now next main, add W or WH to the following words. So they given one dash and they given ILL. So you want to add W or WH, you must write in a dash. So first is WILL, will. Second one, WHEN, when. Third one, WOOL, wool. Fourth one, WHOM, whom. Fifth one, WALL, wall. Sixth one, WHYY. Seventh one, WHERE, where. Eighth one, WHAT, what. Okay children, so these are the, you want to add W or WH in the dash. So once again I am repeating. First one the will, WILL, will. Second one the when, WHEN, when. Third one WOOL, wool. Fourth one WHEN, when. WHOM, whom. Next one WALL, wall. Next one WHY, why. Next one WHERE, where. Eighth one WHAT, what. Okay children. Now next main WELL, well. Now next main is write the missing letters. First one MONTH, month. Second one WRIST, wrist. Third one HAND, hand. Fourth one SYMBOL, symbol. Fifth one WITH, with. Okay children, so these are the missing letters. Once again I am going to read MONTH, month. Second one WRIST, wrist. Third one HAND, hand. Fourth one SYMBOL, symbol. Fifth one WITH, with. Okay children, so these are the revisions of lesson number 1, Raksha Bandhan. Okay children, any doubt children? So I think you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying for you that if you have not completed the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Otherwise, if you have completed the classwork, please practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay children, thank you.